Light radiates from the sun and enters the Earth's atmosphere. Sunlight is composed of all the colors of the rainbow. Have you ever wondered how you are able to see these different colors? Let's explore how the physics of light and the biology of the eye allow you to see an image.
When light hits raindrops, the light disperses, getting split into the various colors of the rainbow. The light then reaches the eye, where it is transmitted. The cornea is the transparent layer forming the front of the eye. The cornea's main function is to refract light, directing the light towards the lens.
The cornea acts as a convex lens. The cornea's index of refraction is 1.376, while air's is only 1, meaning that the light moves slower through the cornea. Behind the cornea, there is an aqueous humor. The aqueous humor's index of refraction is 1.34. The refraction between the cornea and the aqueous humor also helps to direct the light.
The pupil is a hole located in the center of the iris that allows the light to pass through to the lens.
If too much light reaches the retina, then it is difficult to see an image. The iris absorbs some of the light to prevent this from happening.
After the light passes through the pupil, the light must pass through the lens, which is suspended between the aqueous and vitreous humors.
The lens focuses light that hits it onto the retina at the back of the eye. When the ciliary muscles contract, they cause the lens to compress into a round shape, which is used for focusing on a close object. When the ciliary muscles are relaxed, the lens is flat, which is used to focus on a far object. The image that is focused onto the retina is smaller and inverted. The retina converts the light rays into nerve impulses through photoreceptors known as rod and cone cells. Rod cells are mainly located in the periphery of the retina, while the cone cells are mainly located in the fovea centralis. There are three types of cone cells: red, green, and blue. When a photon of a specific wavelength hits a cone cell, it causes the rhodopsin in the cell to change shape. When the rhodopsin changes shape, it causes ion channels to close, leading to the hyperpolarization of the cell. This causes the cell to stop releasing neurotransmitters that inhibit the bipolar cells. Since the bipolar cells are no longer inhibited, they will release neurotransmitters that excite the ganglion cells. This causes the ganglion cells to transmit a message through the optic nerve to the visual cortex. Rod cells function in a similar way to cone cells, except rod cells are excited when there is no light and are inhibited when there is light, whereas cone cells are inhibited when a photon of a specific wavelength reaches them.
The visual cortex takes a number of messages and the frequency they arrive to create an image. The image may be something dangerous, or something that allows you to enjoy the beauty of the world.